때가 제일 예뻐. 굳이 예쁜 척 안 해도 우린 빈자리를 잡고 매일 좀 더 진하게.
너는 아직 잘 몰라 내가 얼마나 아름다운지 거울 정도만 보고 날 줘봐.
Hello. Hi. Today is my third tutorial. So today I'm going to show you the silver sea blue eyeshadow look. Starting with my face prep. So I will take this gold collagen. I'm going to dab a bit in my fingers. I'm making I'm going to take this Prep Plus Prime Mist Fixer. Just spray all over my face. I'll just let it dry. This is the under eye, the concealer I'm going to use today. So I'm going to put this concealer under my eyes. And I'm just going to and same way the concealer I'm going to put on my upper eyelids as well. Next I'm going to take this my Stila foundation. I'll just take out a bit over here and then just take it in my this sponge. I'll just dab everywhere on my all over my face. So I'm done with my foundation. Next step, what I'm going to do is I'm taking my highlighter and contouring the highlighter stick, Bobbi Brown. Number is this number. So I'll be applying on my highlighting places. Now I'm taking the Bobbi Brown itself contour stick. Blending sponge. So I will be using the thicker part at all my highlighting places. And now on from the other side. Apply this loose powder, Laura Mercier, this brush, foundation powder brush from Chanel. I'll be just taking some into my, okay, I'll just take it. I'm just going to apply wherever there are my highlighting parts. Whenever I apply eyeshadow, I will first prep my under eye. So I will take this in a container, some loose powder, and I will take it with this kind of sponge and I will just make it like this, apply it like this, and just keep it until we are done with our eyeshadow. So let's get started with our eyeshadow. For prepping my eyes, I will start off with applying the eye primer. So after this, I'm going to apply from this my palette, beige color shadow, for prepping my eyes. So this angled eyeshadow brush, I will be using brown color shade, and I'll be applying on my crease of the eyes, outer crease. be taking this darker brown shadow and I'll be applying on my outer eye corners. And just try and blend all the colors. Taking this eyeshadow, which is Seablue color. It is from Mimi D. This is a full glitter shadow. I can show you in my. This is like very nice Seablue shadow. I'll just take with this kind of eyeshadow brush, and I will be applying from the middle eyelid to the outer. This is how my eyeshadow looks. After that, I'm going to take from this palette this very dark blue shadow with a very thin brush. This brush is called, it's from Professional Essential, and it's a very thin brush for the corners. So I'll be using the very color at the tip of my eye. After this, I'm going to take this very silver glossy eyeshadow. You can see the effect of this if you match with this. So it's like a very nice and silver glitter. So I will just take a very thin brush and I'm going to apply it in the inner part of my eye, and I'm just going to try and blend it with my blue shadow. I'll just try to little bit clear it off, all the blackish thing which you can see. So now I'm going to apply the eyebrow. Which I'm using. After that, I'm going to take this highlighter and I'm going to apply it on my Today I'm going to introduce you to liquid bottles, which is called Glam and Glow Liquid Set. One is for contour part. This is a highlighter. This one you can use for your eyebrow highlighter, and this one you can use as an eyeshadow. You can use even on your lips, on your cheeks for highlighting. So I'll be using the silver bottle. You just stick it inside your hand a bit. It is like this glossy liquid. So you just use your finger. After this, I'll be taking the blue eyeshadow again. I'll be taking the silver for my inner eye corners. Let's finish up with, take some loose powder, clear it off everything. Now I'm going to do highlighting and contouring with this brush. I'll be taking this palette, I'll be applying to my I'll be using this start by applying this one.